to get into a little cattail slough where I knew there was some birds, and it was a little deeper than what we expected, the snow, definitely up past her waist.
Oh my.
All of this for a couple pheasants.
Some of the most brutal conditions I think out here. I mean, it's deep snow, it's not hard packed, it's tough walking, it's tough.
Oh man. After trudging maybe 30 feet, reality sets in. I don't know if this is gonna fly. Get him! Oh! Are you kidding me right now? Sean should have brought his pea shooter to a big boy party. How nice would that have been? Bird in hand.
I pulled the trigger, shot once, missed. Tried to pull the trigger again, but my shell, the action wasn't working too smoothly. It was a little chilly.
Uh-oh. You need help? This is borderline insanity right now.
As cold as it had been out here, you'd think that the bottom of the cattail sloughs would be froze up, and they're not. The snow is deep and it's insulated and it's tough walking.
It seems our dream hunt has turned into a nightmare.
North Dakota, the winter wonderland.
Those are tall cattails that would probably be over our head, but it just doesn't look like much right now because literally everything is snowed in. I don't know if he's gonna get out of there.
Definitely not the way you want to start a trip, but again, it's a memory that you talk about, and you make fun of the person that did it.
Ah yes, those memories, the good and the bad. Hang on, this could get interesting.
The Flush.